Hello, Longnisa. I am in Lake Tahoe and I'm gonna try to go hiking. Let's see how far can I go. Oh my goodness. Ice, cold. Can you eat? No. Okay. Woo! Cold. Woo! You guys see the gondola? The line is too long to get inside, and I think it's about $59. It takes you all the way to the mountain, so you can see the whole Lake Tahoe. But I don't want to waste in the line. And behind is the mountain with ice. It's pretty empty. Nobody's taking it. Oh, what is it? Oh, when you're up there, they have something for you to drink. You could buy, and you come down later if you like. People are coming down but not going up anymore. See, a lot of people that way. Okay, that's how you pronounce gondola. Gondola. And then you can see it right there. Gondola. Coming down, going up, coming down, going up. Over here, the kids are playing. Family bring the children playing or hiking, go all the way up. That's what I'm trying to do, to see how far I'm going. And it's very slippery, the ice. When you should touch the eye, it's just straight up, so slippery. Ah! It's holiday, that's why people come here. Come Monday, don't work. Today is Friday the 14th. Happy Valentine Day to everybody. They basically close the street so that people can play in here. So if you park your car over there, you have to pay for it. I hear little kids sliding down and they are having fun. See, there you go, she slide again. Like this. It's fun for the children. That's fun. I used to take my son and do this stuff. I'm so happy he go. I don't have to take him. I want to do myself only. We stop at the ground. Okay, this little one, the mom gonna push him. It's cool, right? It's fun, right? On the left, on the right, you see people are playing. Kids have so much fun, they don't want to go home. Some kids are crying because their mom tired. They want to go back to the hotel. And they're like, no, mommy, I want to play some more. See that baby right here, he's crying. It's okay, you come back next time, okay? It's okay. Don't cry. So these people, they go higher. They go higher so they can go down further. Thing that they don't allow is like the machine. The one that have like motor. Plastic, that's fine. The pine tree is so beautiful, so tall. room for enough. So if you come here, don't worry. They have bathroom for you too. Tree. Holly, that's the casino name. Bathroom. Kids are doing the angel. Kids always have fun. So this is the hot mat. You have to try everything that you need, all the information. And here is the part information. Of course, here in Lake Tahoe, they're going to talk about the signal. It looks like this. People can have so much fun. And over here is Jack Bank. In 1988, it's in behind me, I believe. And Henry Ben's Sickle. Don't know what this is about, but I don't have time to read. And no, you're left behind. To show you inside your hand. Right here is a Wednesday Bowl Bio State Park. And when you come here, you step on the ice, your shoe becomes slippery. I don't know why. When you touch the ice, it's not slippery, it's just cold and watery. But the shoe, I don't understand. Kids are playing there, having fun over there. They love it. It's less crowded over there, if you guys can see. All right, let's me go further. The land Sickle is really, really steep, go stick up, and people actually ski down. They go all the way up and they ski down. See, like that guy, he didn't ski down, but he ski on the side. You got to be professional to ski, I think, because you don't want to get yourself hurt. Yeah, this thing right here, the whole hill right there, is really, really steep. I heard Olympic this year, they wanted to do it here, but they lost the boat, so they didn't get it. Maybe they can try next time for Winter Olympic. When I see stuff like this, it reminds me of my baby when he was small. And then he played with his cousin, and they have so much fun playing with one and another. And now they're all big. I don't know what they're all doing with their life. Maybe they go out, have fun with friends, party, drink maybe, or become a father, marry. But yeah, this is fun. You guys see lots of pine tree, and now you see pine nut. Inside the pine nut, they have their own special nut, and you actually can eat them. The store sell for $19.99 a pound. Whew. I'm going uphill and I don't have breath. This one big, seems like just fall down. The darker color, they fall down for a while. Light color, like this one, they just fall down from the tree. Oh. I don't think I want to go further anymore. I would like to go back down. That's a sign for you to follow.
Take a picture of you up there.
Whew. Oh, I'm tired. Huh? I don't want no picture. I can't breathe. Huh. Oh, by the way, you guys, today Valentine Day, and my boyfriend bought me this hiking shoe right here. I actually from REI, and the outfit that I'm wearing is my boyfriend. I need to double. I wear double jacket, double pants, because it's cold. And that guy right there, yeah, that's my man. Hiking over here, going up higher and higher, the elevation is getting higher and higher, and you cannot breathe. The air getting thinner and thinner. So when those people went all the way up high. I don't know how they breathe because I can't breathe. So I'm going down now. I'm going downhill. I got me a 30-minute exercise already. Not bad. I'm gonna walk back 30 minutes or so. So that will be an hour. That Christmas tree is so brown. I call it Christmas tree because it's shaped exactly like Christmas tree. But the sister is still colorful. Colorful, 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 brown. So this big pole right here make a lot of noise. It's a caution danger. Some of the tree, it have sticker on it. They're gonna chop them. Most likely they're gonna sell, not free. Can you guys see the lake behind that blue thing right there? In the between you see gray. That's actually the Lake Tahoe. This shower here is for horses. Horsey go there. You guys see the lake? That's the lake. Can you find me? Can you find me? I'm a snook. Coming fast. Ooh, 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 ooh. Whoa. I don't want to get wet. It's gonna be cold later. All right. We know a little towel right here. This is where the towel at. No parking. Ticket. Jumbo tree. How steep that is. I'm gonna take you guys go up close and personal, okay? Closer to the town. I'm going back. You guys see the big tree, kind of dead tree, but they have number like 1, 2, 3 right there in yellow. I think they're gonna cut them down. But the dead tree, you cannot sell the dead tree, I believe. You only can sell the alive tree. I just take you guys a tour. Do you guys a quick tour? You guys see everything pretty much. Thank you for watching from Lake Tahoe. I like over there. I'm not gonna go to the lake today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Happy Valentine Day. Bye. 2026.